Other Amazon affiliate marketing strategies to consider. Okay, so far the basics combined with our powerful recipes are working wonders on your affiliate sites. And you never foresaw how fast you would be able to make money using a passive source of income built on an online platform. And that is what gets most people off guard, because they start their Amazon affiliate businesses as a mere hobby, maybe an opportunity, until they find themselves leaving their day jobs in order to pay full attention to their Amazon affiliate sites. But these same people commit the fatal mistake of leaving their Amazon affiliate businesses on autopilot, ignoring the fact that they can do much, much more if they only put the effort into applying some additional strategies to make their passive incomes grow. So allow us to give a close to this video training by revealing to you the strategies that will allow you to go above and beyond your current Amazon affiliate efforts. Create a lifestyle section on your affiliate site. One of the easiest ways to become an influencer and an authority is by starting a lifestyle blog section in your affiliate site. Doing this will allow you to write about your niche in a way that goes beyond descriptions and marketing. A lifestyle blog is a place where you discuss lifestyles centered around the niche that you promote in your niche affiliate site. Use your lifestyle blog to allow your visitors to foster conversation between you and your audience, which will increase the number of visits to your affiliate sites as well as your ranking. Include a sign-up form for your affiliate site. It would be wise to have a subscription form in your affiliate website because it will allow you to keep your subscribers up to date on the new stuff that you will be publishing on your site. This can help you to reconvert people that might be too busy to visit your site on a daily basis, for example. Create lead magnets focused on your niche. A niche-focused lead magnet, such as an ebook featuring the most popular stuff in your site, will not only help you to capture subscribers for your affiliate site, but it can help you to add a collection of links to your product pages right into your ebook content. Just remember that you can't use direct affiliate links on ebooks. Listen to your visitors. The comment sections of your affiliate site can be a great source of information about what types of products people care about, and also about the types of products that people are actively buying. Pay special attention to recommendations among customers in the comments section. Pay attention to the reactions of other people to recommendations, and then apply what you learned about people's preferences and get ready to start creating awesome affiliate content about it. Keep people updated on daily Amazon deals. Having a deals section on your Amazon affiliate pages can sound impractical at first because you already know that the deals section on the Amazon Marketplace shows deals and cool finds from every category at random. But it is a good idea to have a separate Today's Deals tab on your affiliate site because it's casual and people will love taking a look there just for curiosity's sake before leaving your site, which can easily lead to an impulse purchase. And that's it. Implement these simple strategies and keep yourself on top of the Amazon affiliate game. And thanks for watching our training. We're sure they can easily help you to transform your life.